everyone, it's Paula with Sparkle Farts Paper Crafts and Trinkle Twirls Creates. And today I'm bringing you a quick little flip through of Blush and Breeze. Designer is Lottie's Magic Attic, and I used another one of these fun little shaped dies that I got off of Amazon. Some fun ribbon that I had for, I had no clue how long I've had this. And this fun washi tape that I just reinforced the spine area. So let's get started with our flip through. She had these fun little cutouts, and I just made easy little pockets. I ripped this one in half, left some journaling space on the back of as many sheets as possible, and this one's for the drinkers out there. So I stuffed as many of the embellishment pieces as I could in this little thing. This little pocket was a part of the kit, so I made it into a big pocket and just filled it full of fun pieces. I love these flamingos, they're so cute. Did a little double flip with some envelopes, which are part of the kit. I filled each of them with a journaling card and an extra piece of ephemera that I would use for more journaling space, and some tags. You can never have too many tags. This fun little sentiment is a piece of washi that came with a mermaid set that I had bought quite a while back. No, I was not drinking when I put this together, but I noticed this pocket is real stinking crooked. But you know, it's handmade and it's made with love, and crooked just happens. So there's a bunch of envelopes in this kit. I think it was supposed to be an envelope album, but of course I don't follow rules. I just do whatever happens. I do love all the different pastel backing papers that she included with this one, just for variety. More washi. I had a flamingo washi set, if you can believe it. I rarely use it. Super cute. I did glue all the washi down just to make sure that it didn't do his little washi thing of popping off, because you know, we've all been there with washi. Fun little corner pockets. I don't know if this is what they were supposed to be for, but there were several of them that were like that, and I just went ahead and made them into corner pockets because I needed more pockets for all little stuffy spots to stuff my stuff in. Little belly band pocket for this one, more of that flamingo washi tape. Stick him out a little bit. Don't want his tail feathers to get broken off. Some more of these little cards. So these are some drunk flamingos, in my opinion. They have been just drinking all day, having a great time, kicking it back on the beach somewhere with all their flamingo friends. Craziness. Oh, that one I glued down. I forgot about that. Seems like it should come out, but no, I did glue it down. It's gonna really mess with somebody sometime, huh? This one is a fold-out tag with tags, and I had to bring in some more gold. You always gotta have a little far to sparkle. So another flip out over here. Another little tuck spot. Again, super crooked. What was I doing that day? I don't know. It's bananas. I don't know. Hey, I got this little book done, and it is super cute. I think the pink cardstock, that's from, I was gonna say it's from Stampin' Up, but it's not. It's from my miscellaneous, just random cardstock pile. So I think that is it. I hope you enjoyed it and all my rambling. Have a great day.